Hi everyone. Today we are going to be using Scratch. With Scratch, you can code programs to design interactive stories, games, and animations. It is designed especially for ages 8 to 16, but is used by people of all ages such as teachers and researchers. It does not need to be downloaded, but because it works directly in the browser. So today we're going to be using the Google Chrome browser. Remember to have Flash enabled when you're going to scratch.mit.edu. So let's get started. To get started on a project, you're going to click Create. Once the screen is loaded, you can now create a program. But before we dive into coding, let's go over some fundamental elements that are on the screen. You're going to start with the stage. The stage is a background of the project. It can hold scripts, backdrops, and sounds. The sprite. The sprites are objects that perform actions in the project using scripts. They can have costumes, which show different appearances of a sprite. They can also have sounds that can be recorded or uploaded. For this video purposes, we will not import or record any sounds. The scripts are one or more set of blocks that represent some code. The script area are where you place the blocks to build the code. And most importantly, the green and red flag are where you stop and start your code. As a computer scientist, one of the first programs that you learn to write is the Hello World program. And that's similar to what we're going to do today. The only difference is we're going to use a block-based language. So Scratch uses a block-based language that is used to design games, simulations, and animations. So as you can see on the screen, I have something already there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it off so we can get started fresh. So one of the things you're gonna always start with is in the events, is the when the green flag is clicked. So you're gonna always start with this. It's kind of like the start button. You're gonna always want to start with the when green flag is clicked. When you start with this, it tells this sprite, when I click this green flag, you're going to do something. Now right now you notice when I clicked, it didn't do anything because I don't have anything under it. So let's make it do something. So when the green flag is clicked, let's go under looks. Now notice under looks, I have say, I have think. So I can make this sprite say or think something, right? So let's click. When the green flag is clicked, I want you to say hello for 2 seconds. Now let's click the green flag and see what happens. Notice when I click the green flag, that it highlights yellow. That shows you what the sprite is doing at that moment. Congratulations, we wrote our first program in Scratch. So let's step it up a notch and let's continue our Hello World program. So right now we have when the green flag is clicked, we're going to say hello for 2 seconds. To edit this message, we can say hello world for 2 seconds. Say is considered an output. So this means when the green flag is clicked, the sprite will output the message, hello world. Let's give it a try. Let's try it again. Okay, now let's step it up a notch. Let's change the stage. To change the stage, you simply click Stage, New Backdrop, and you get all these options. So let's say we feel like going to the beach. We hit beach, hit OK. Boom, we're at the beach. To go back to scripts, you simply hit scripts. Hit the green flag, nothing's changed. So we're saying hello world at the beach. So this is a simple introduction into Scratch programming, a block-based language. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.